All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We do have some haze in the skies. You can still smell the smoke out there, but a little bit of improvement on this last day of the work week. We are looking at a first alert weather day for your Saturday. We'll jump right into the details on that. Now, there's a shift in the location of the greatest risk for severe weather that you see highlighted here in yellow. Now, this is called just a slight risk of severe weather. That means a few severe storms will be possible. Hail and damaging wind will be the #1 concern. We may see isolated tornadoes with the spin that is available in the atmosphere. The other big change is the fact that this dark green area where we see the chance for isolated severe storms to happen has really been suppressed down to the south. So really along and south of I-94 in North Dakota and along and south of Highway 10 in Minnesota, the greatest chance at seeing any inclement weather. But this does include many of our lakes counties. And if you're out there at WeFest, if storms approach your area tomorrow, just know they could become severe. Here's a quick look at that radar animation as we went through the day there, and those chances are best in the south. More on that in a second, your hour-by-hour forecast. But let's take a look at those air quality numbers. 141 in the Fargo area puts that in the unhealthy for some category, and Grand Forks at 115 with some modest improvement here over the last couple of hours and certainly over what you saw this morning. Elsewhere, the numbers are the worst with the lowest air quality in the unhealthy category in central and north central Minnesota near Lake of the Woods down towards the Red Lakes area where we have a reading there at Red Lake Nation of 153. By the way, out at WeFest, it's pretty high, and it's very close to the unhealthy category at 149. Visibilities are low in Thief River Falls, 2.5 miles there, 4 for Roseau, but the rest of us 5 miles or over as your temperature is hovering in the upper 70s this afternoon here in the FM area. The wind light and out of the east. The readings on your thermometers are coolest in north central Minnesota. They warm gradually, and we're confining those 80s once again to the far south and far west, with a lot of 70s out there on this very comfortable close to the work week. Here's the storm system we're watching exiting the northern Rockies of Wyoming, and it's going to make its way through South Dakota, and along with it, it's going to bring some moisture up from the southern part of the United States and wring that moisture out in the form of showers and thunderstorms. Not all of us are going to see rain, though, unfortunately. As we go through the evening tonight, those clouds and showers out to the west, some could work their way in, but overnight and in towards morning, we could have a few thunderstorms rumble their way through South Dakota, and maybe our border counties will have a chance at that morning shower and thunderstorm chance. That's not the main event that we're concerned about, but hopefully, maybe we'll get a stray thunderstorm up north. Notice how clear things are up north. Once again, we'll be in the 50s to around 60 degrees to start our day, and we'll see more clouds and sunshine. Expect those temperatures to be in the 70s to near 80 again, fairly comfortable, and it'll be in the afternoon and early evening where we'll have a chance anywhere here along and south of I-94, along and south of Highway 10 of seeing thunderstorms pop up. Our model has been changing its mind about every 3 hours. That's how often the runs come out. This one shows it lighting things up a little bit in southeast North Dakota. Yes, the chance is there. Yes, they may be severe, and our team will be on top of it. Make sure you have the Valley News Live weather app handy. If you're out at the lakes area this weekend or anywhere, we'll let you know if any of those storms become severe. In Fargo, Saturday clouds, maybe a morning sprinkle to our south, but the best chance of stronger thunderstorms coming in the late afternoon and early evening. The risk of thunderstorms, by the way, decreases rapidly after about the 10 to 11 o'clock hour. Mandy capturing a smoky dock shot on Otter Tail Lake. Mandy, thanks for your photo. Now a look at the planning forecast. First alert weather day Saturday, Sunday a little quieter, 85-degree day, Monday 86. Now, we are calling for the return of some pretty thick smoke next week and a few chances at showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. All, well, as far as thunderstorms go, good news. A lot of rain fell in parts of Ontario where the fires are sourced from, and I've noticed
some good news.
Yeah, noticed less smoke coming from them lately. Hopefully that trend continues.
We really just can't emphasize it enough. A lot of things up in the air, a lot of variables. Super important to stay tuned in and keep that weather app nice and close.
We'll watch everything for you this weekend.
We always appreciate it. Thanks, Hutch.